Hey there, and welcome to another video on the latest release notes for the Debutify theme, and today the theme manager. Now this won't be a long video, let's jump straight into it. So 7.0.2 is now out, and this is just a bug fix. As you'll notice from these, anything that is on the end with a point number are bug fixes. Anything after the main version is a major upgrade, is how we're mainly approaching it. So we're basically approaching it that at least twice a month we do major releases, and then the other two are bug fixes. Because we naturally get a lot of bugs because of a lot of variables, we always make sure that we need a week to fix bugs and try and make sure everyone's supported now, while obviously working towards that long term. There's a lot of exciting stuff coming there. The major update though for this one is you can gain more control over your collection page layout with new settings. You can now display the description in the banner or directly on the collection page. We had a number of customers asking for that with various collections. This is very handy for that, so very excited to bring that out. And then it's basically just bug fixes. An issue with the video playback in the product page slider not functioning is now fixed. Incorrect spacing in the newsletter section on mobile screens, especially iPhone, is fixed. Visibility issue with material icons across the entire theme is now fixed. The mobile header logo on the product page, this is an important one, we've got a few of these, on the product page was not displaying correctly when the sticky add to cart, typo there, widget was enabled. Translation issues on the upsell bundles section where it defaulted to the store language instead of the user's selected language. Okay, so that was just a bug because obviously integrate with Shopify, it pulled that in. We've now fixed that to give that a more fluid, dynamic approach. And an issue with copying colors from the previous theme version, plus added a new color scheme, okay, into the footer. So we had some compatibility issues with the old one. We're also very strongly, as I said, for those interested with our roadmap, we're looking at remote updates. So you can remotely update your theme. It'll do a backup of your current one anyway, and also then update your existing one. So you don't need to change really anything. That is in early beta. We have many great things. We have additional store licenses that are coming out as a part of plans that you can buy on different plans. We're just working out that specific stuff now. We also have AI that's coming into it as well, and a lot more widgets, right? I know a lot of people ask for the update for quantity breaks. That's about a week away. We've got the shipping insurance. We've got the shipping upsell. We've got plenty of new upsells and various cross-sells coming into play as well as a lot of features for print on demand and brand stores to give a lot more customization and flexibility. Okay, so now that our infrastructure is really solid, that's really exciting. I'm going to start releasing videos to give you an idea, and we're starting to build out our roadmap over the next 3 months. We're anticipating to have a roadmap that we can consistently talk to you about and give you clear sort of ETAs as we're really trying to meet everyone's demand there. Now, the Debutify login portal 3.0.2 again is just a couple of bug fixes, so nothing major this week because it's just been since the major overhaul to our new infrastructure. Naturally, there's a few bugs and unexpected twists and turns. We've ironed out all of them. If you have issues, please email support@debutify.com or go through the live chat service. We will help you. We understand, we appreciate that. We know a number of people have had login issues as well as switching their store. We're fixing all of that, and we're getting a lot of new functionality so that you have a lot more control to fix that straight away. Fixed an issue with the theme updater that caused errors during the update process. We found a few of those, especially on Mac. Billing issues related to Stripe and PayPal, ensuring smoother transactions. We saw a number of transactions weren't working and weren't applying the plan properly. The API wasn't working exactly as needed. We have now fixed that. So that's pretty much it for this week's release notes for the Debutify theme version 7.0.2 and the Debutify login portal 3.0.2. If you want to go, the links are in the description for both of these to have a look at. You can look at all of our release notes. We release it every week. We're doing releases now every week for our products, and we've got many exciting things. I should also add, we're working on a Debutify email app. We've got a Debutify widgets app. We also got another app that we're in early design process for. So we're building a lot of apps. So be sure to stay close into this space. You'll really, really like it. Thank you very much for your time. Take care and goodbye.